what we have here.
Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam, and in this video, basically I just want to show you what I had PCBWay make for me and show you that process in case you're interested in using their services as well. And in case you didn't guess, this video is sponsored by PCBWay. I did not pay for the process for this thing, and that's why I decided to make it this electroplated gold color, and so it looks like real gold kind of, which is pretty cool. So this model is the GoPro 9. This is made to look and feel, most importantly feel, like a real GoPro on your drone. And so what you can do with it is it's two parts, and so you basically fill it with some weight on the inside, whatever you want to put in there to match the weight of a real GoPro, and then you screw on the bottom, and then you can attach it just like a regular GoPro mount with the two little tabs that fold down. These ones don't fold, these are fixed, but you know, it fits in those kinds of mounts. Or I guess you could just, you know, you could, if you print it yourself, you could just print it without the tabs, or you can just cut the tabs off and fit it into a, you know, non-tab style GoPro mount, so that would work as well. But I just want to show you how this turned out. I think it looks super awesome. It looks really, really neat, and I'm actually going to be giving this one away, so stay tuned for that. But let's get into the process of how to do this on PCBWay's website in case you want to do it as well. Okay, we're on PCBWay.com, and then what we're going to do is head over to CNC and 3D printing. I want to do 3D printing for this one, so I'm going to click on 3D printing right there, and then it's going to take me to this page, and this main box right here is where I can select my CAD files, and you can do STL, OBJ, STEP, or STP files. Mine is going to be STL, and you can also drag and drop, so I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to get, we'll start with the top half of the GoPro. I'm just going to drag it onto the screen there, and you see that shows it right there. It's loaded. It gives me like a 3D image of it. And what I'm going to select, I want resin, and I think for this I'm just going to stick with the standard resin, standard white resin. So we have that selected. Color is just matte white. Process SLA, and the surface finish. And you'll notice there's this discrepancy warning, and they're basically just saying, you know, if we do two different batches of something, the color might not match exactly. So you might want to keep that in mind. But we're going to click on this to select the finish, and I actually want to do electroplating. And I think it'd be really cool to do gold to make it look like, you know, actual gold, like shiny, glossy gold. So I'm going to do vacuum plating, high gloss paint. And it's going to be in this yellow, or they call it a gold color. They also have silver, black, red, green, blue, but let's do gold. And I think, you know, matte would also look cool. It would kind of look like a gold bar maybe, but let's do a high gloss, and let's click submit. And then all of this, you know, it updates the price and everything. Oh, actually, first thing, we need to do quantity. We need to do 1. There we go. Now it updates the price. Now I do want to bring to your attention where it says, note the price currently displayed in this system's pre-quotation for reference only, and the official quotation will be generated after manual review by engineer in according to the complexity of the part, structure, and process requirements. So a little bit of grammar there, but basically that's important. And so right here it says 52.52. My piece actually ended up costing $171.21 US. So that's just, you know, take this with a grain of salt, because what you're going to do is you're actually going to submit your request, and then they're going to review it and then give you the actual cost of it, and then you can decide whether you want to go ahead with that order or not. And then technical drawings, we don't have any technical drawings. No inserts are going into this part, and we're not doing any silk screening or laser engraving. Maybe we will in the future. That'd be kind of cool. And parts assembly, no parts assembly required. I don't have any other special requests, and that's basically it to get this thing in here. So now below this we have another spot where we can put in our second file. We're going to do our second piece here, which is the bottom half of the Dumb Pro. That's the part that actually has the GoPro mount and acts as the kind of the closure or the lid. So we want 1. Okay, so that would only be $4.98. So if you didn't have the special finishes, this really would not cost that much. So I think I was looking through these different ones. Let's go with Somos Taurus. And then they also have a thing where they'll show you the material description, so you can kind of figure out which material you want. And we're going to do black SLA, and I'm not going to do any surface finish on this one. We'll just kind of keep the cost down. So the cost, we're looking at $12.45 for this one. So that's not too bad. We don't need to do any of these other options as well, and we don't have any more parts. So we can come back up here, and this is giving us our subtotal is $64.67, and then we can submit request, and you can join, create an account. You can get a $5 welcome bonus, or you can sign in if you already have an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in, and then it's going to show up like this. So then they're saying, these are your parts. This is what you ordered. It's going to give you a product number for your new part. And then the status is being reviewed. So this is how it's going to end up when they're reviewing it. And then you'll get an update probably on here or through email. And they're going to say your order has been approved. And then you come back here and you can actually, put the order in and then pay for it and all that stuff and do the shipping and everything. Now, shipping, I just want to mention that for me, the shipping cost was $57.25, and that is quite a lot of money. That's US dollars. It was DHL, and that's pretty much the best way, but it's coming all the way from China, so that's just kind of how it goes. And now that we have that part taken care of, let's go back out to the field and wrap up this video with some flying around and just having a good old time. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next video is where I'm going to be doing the giveaway for this product. And do I want to do that? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. All right. I am going to be giving this away in the next video that I put out, and you'll see, I mean, it's going to say like giveaway video. This is what I will be giving away. And so comment over on that video if you want to win that. And I was going to do it in this video, but then I'm like, too many people might comment just about the thing itself and the process and all that stuff. So we'll do that on a separate video. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you're having a great day and getting out there and doing some flying. I know maybe it's crappy weather where you are, and that's no fun, but make the most of it. Maybe you can do some indoor flying or something like that. Just do something to I don't know, what do they say, spark joy or something, in your life, like get out of a rut, and go fly. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Love you. See you. Bye.
Yeah, I'm gonna just blast off of it, okay?
Really thought I was gonna be able to keep up. Really thought.
Wasn't that high speed, but it felt like that. Oh, it's because I was going into the wind. It's always a soft landing with the PCBWay launch and land pillow. Thanks, PCBWay.